So here we are in video number 2 of 2. Our goal again is to create an ePortfolio, a very simple ePortfolio. From this page, which is where we left off in our last video, you're going to go ahead and click on Go to the actual ePortfolio. Okay, and we're in. Now, as you can see, I've already created a few sections. I've created this documentation section, this revision section, and this reflection section. And then within each of these sections, if I were to click on one, you will notice that over here, there is also a page called documentation. Now there is nothing in that page. Were I to click on it, you'll notice there's nothing in there yet. I'll teach you how to put things in there. But first, I want to show you how to set up your own section. You're going to need all 4 of these. You're going to need to create documentation, revision, reflection, and the last one is communication. Okay. So to do that, you can click right here on Organize Sections, and there's a button that says Add Section. You will click on that, like so. And the section name, you will type it in. It is Communication. Okay. And then when you're done, you'll just click Done Editing, and there you are. You see it. Wonderful. We're going to put a communication page in there, so you can click on it. And if you scoot on over, there's nothing there, right? You scoot on over and to the right hand side and you'll see a little tab that says edit this page. You can click on it and you can change the name of that page so that it matches communication. We're being a little bit redundant here, but again, this is a very, very simple ePortfolio. You're going to keep these boxes checked, allow comments, and make comments public, and you're going to choose the rich text content. That will get you the box where we're going to paste our information, and you will save the page just like that. Now, from here we need to post in some content. So let's just say that we are trying to post in the content for documentation. We will click on documentation. And again, we've already presumably created a page called documentation. So we're going to edit that page. Make sure you've already selected your rich text content. I can see the box here, right? Now I've already cut and pasted the information from our course week 14. And so I'm just going to paste that right in. Now sometimes when you paste into these rich text contents, you're going to lose some of the coloring and some of the underlining, right? Some of the formatting was lost. So this, for example, used to be blue, so I can go back in and I can make it blue again, and I can underline it and make it pretty. I'm not going to go through and do all of those changes now, but you can certainly play around with that until it is to your liking. And then when you are done, you can click Save Page, and you can see that it looks beautiful, right? So this is the template that we've cut and pasted in from week 14, and then anytime you want to add to this template, you'll just click on Edit Page right over here, and using the rich text content, you'll just insert what you need to insert here. Okay, and then you will always, always, always save the page, right? If you're working for more than 10 minutes, you should save the page and then come back in and do it again. You don't want to lose your work. Finally, how do you submit this puppy? Well, what you're going to do is when you're ready to submit, right, you're going to go up here to the home page, and you will have a URL right here in the top, and you will copy and paste that URL directly into the submissions manager. Okay, and you should post that URL well in advance of our final due date so that I can check it and see that you're periodically working on this and we don't have any last minute hiccups. So I would say you should post this URL as soon as this coming week. All right, just within 1 week of watching this video. Thank you for watching. Do rewatch if you need to watch it again, and I very much look forward to viewing your work very soon.